I'm not sure what the most effective thing is, except that, like I said, I believe that advertising should be informative about a product. It should be ideally aesthetically pleasing. It should be beautiful. It should have some artistic element to it, and it should be something that you don't regret watching after it's done. And I think if advertising fits those criteria, that it starts to approach content, and that you want advertising that is as close to content as possible, such that you don't regret the time you spent watching it.
Yeah, so basically, that is spot on. I mean, when somebody gets online and they're looking at, let's say, a video you created, or an email that you wrote, or maybe you're going live on TikTok or something, you want it to feel like they're just, or you want them to feel like they're getting something useful. They're being entertained in whatever way, shape, or form. Like, it could have been entertaining in a slight way to you watching me watch that. Sometimes people think entertaining is like juggling or spitting fire or whatever, but many times it's just you being in your natural environment and being normal, but you're very relatable and resonating with the people that you're trying to attract. And so just like he said, it should be beautiful. It should have your own artistic spin on it. It should also, be very informative. You should come away with something, and you shouldn't regret watching it. They should be like, man, I'm really glad that I watched that. So I feel like if you're having trouble with content, maybe just make it useful, make it entertaining in the way that you're doing something authentic, and then make sure that they walk away with something, make sure that they get something out of it. But in that same way, you're also going to help them learn more about you too. So you maybe put your call to action at the end. Like for me, I would put like makeonce.com. And then, if you want to learn how to sell digital products or start a paid subscription program, I could put that somewhere in it, or just put like the website. And if you do a good enough job in the content, then that will actually matter to them when they see the website or when they see the call to action or hear it. So yeah, I totally agree with what he's saying. And I think it's an excellent way to approach it. It should feel like content.